In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the latest ShortMax mod menu, fully working on both iOS and Android devices. As you can see on the screen, this mod menu gives you access to powerful features, including all features unlocked, unlimited coins, and additional premium options for the ShortMax app on iOS and Android. Right here, you can see multiple mod menu options available, such as all content unlocked, unlimited coins, and much more, allowing you to enjoy ShortMax without limitations. Before we begin, make sure your ShortMax app is updated to the latest version. To check this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for ShortMax, and see if an update is available. If your app is already up to date, you're ready to move on. Next, scroll down and check the pinned comment below this video. There, I explain step-by-step where and how to get ShortMax++. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!